No matter what side of the gun rights debate you're on, New York Attorney General Letitia James's and D.C. Attorney General Karl Racine's efforts to dissolve the National Rifle Association and its charitable arm are verifiably good things. For those who oppose the NRA, it's clear that Thursday was a good day. Having the state attorney general sue to yank the charter of the NRA in New York, where it was founded in 1871, and claw back millions of dollars in misspent funds that were used to enrich senior management and their friends is a win for the organization's many political opponents. And having Attorney General Karl Racine's office also sue the NRA Foundation for its failure to pursue charitable purposes is just icing on the gun control cake. If even part of what these suits allege proves to be true, the organization that has led the fight to expand Second Amendment freedoms, well beyond even Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia's views on the matter, will have been shown to be incompetent, corrupt, dishonest and hopelessly partisan. But if you're concerned about preserving the rights of responsible hunters, target shooters and folks who feel they need guns to protect themselves and their loved ones, as I am, this is still a pretty good day. For too long, the NRA, because of leaders like Wayne LaPierre, has failed responsible gun owners like me. Rather than fulfill its traditional, stated role of educating Americans about firearms and supporting programs to train us to use them safely, the NRA has spent the last generation focusing on politics, now entirely GOP politics, and the interests of gun manufacturers, not owners. As a result, our national debate on guns is painfully short on facts and explanations and long on emotions and partisan bickering. And still, rather than educate all Americans about responsible gun ownership, the NRA has continually sought to divide us by focusing on the extremists while helping the manufacturers sell as much as they can for as long as they can, despite the potentially calamitous long-term political prospects for responsible gun owners. Meanwhile, this country's current relationship with guns has, to say the least, grown increasingly problematic. We've had a rash of shootings in America in recent years, from the mass shootings at schools, shopping centers, concerts, theaters, bars and fairgrounds that we hear about in the news to the smaller tragedies that are hardly noticed. Elections at every level frequently turn, at least in part, on questions about guns, from who has them or where and when they're appropriate to what kinds of guns are available and what law enforcement can do about it. If you're one of the millions of Americans who own guns and want to keep them, you need a competent, effective organization standing up for you. But Wayne LaPierre's NRA is not, and has not been, it.